Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to cancel, order, and refund on Temu. First of all, open the Temu app. Click the U icon underneath. Go into your orders. Then go to the Processing tab. You can see your order here, just click on Cancel Items. Select the item you want to cancel. After that, select a reason why you want to cancel. Choose the option of order created by mistake. Write the description as mistakenly added. Then click on Next. Select the way you want to be refunded. Simply select your refund method as the original payment method. Click on Submit. Then click to confirm. It asks you to confirm that you want to cancel the order. Choose Yes Cancel Item option. So now the order is cancelled and refund is under process. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.